Well, hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Guys, I just wanted to share this quick and easy DIY with you. All you're gonna need is one of these signs from the Dollar Tree. This one I got from Christmas, and you're gonna need one of their wall decal. So what I did, I just took my scraper tool and removed the gnome. I'm not a gnome person. And while I was removing it, a piece came off. I did not want to remove all the paper. So that is why I went through the trouble of just gluing this back on, because I'm not using any paint. I won't be using any soaking off of anything. So this is the decal. It's a Main Street wall decal or wallpaper or wall sticker from the Dollar Tree, and it comes with 2 pieces on there. Now I'm selecting just one, and I chose this one here, and I just peel it off and paste it over the graphic that was already there. Like I said, I didn't want to paint anything, I didn't want to soak off anything, because the sticker is just gonna cover everything, and there was no need for any painting. And the little piece that was hanging over, I just took the X-Acto knife and cut that off. Now there are some sections that the red was peeking through. I took some transfer stickers and just pasted those on to cover up those little parts or areas. So easy. No glue, no paint, no soaking, nothing. And for the section that was too large enough to be covered, or was protruding a little bit too far out, I just used the chalk pen from the Dollar Tree and just painted that in a little bit. I'm saying paint, but it's not really paint, but I just used that to cover it up. And then I took one of my butterfly transfers and covered that over. I took some small flowers and covered some other sections, and that was it. Now to embellish this, I took a piece of lace ribbon and cut that off, folded it in 2. I got some other pieces of ribbon that I had in my stash, cut off 2 little pieces that I knew would match the colors on the rose, and just folded those together. Now some of the ribbon was a little too crushed or crumpled, so I just used the heat press to just press that out. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all, so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And here I'm just trying to decide which one looks better, and I selected the one that had or blended in with the color on the rose. Did the same thing, use the heat press and the parchment paper to just press that out a little bit, and then just cut them off, glue them down together. And that section at the top that was missing a little piece of transfer, I just used the ribbons to cover that. But before I did that, I dovetailed the ends, glue them down together. For the hanger, I replaced the string, added some beads just for further embellishment. This is optional. You don't need to do that if you don't have beads, wooden beads. You can leave it just plain. You can leave the sign just plain too. If you don't have ribbons, or you don't like ribbons hanging down like this, you can leave it plain. If you rather a bow, you can make a bow. But this sign was so easy. I love it, love it, love it. There was no painting. I didn't want to soak off the paper or anything. So I just decided to use this big wall decal and cover it. And this is just to give you an idea of how you can just use simple little things you see around your home, or you get at the Dollar Tree, or if you don't have a Dollar Tree, can get that at Dollar General. This is just inspiration to show you how you can turn simple little items into beautiful decor pieces. Now here I'm looking for a little button that will match my colors. I got this pack of buttons from Walmart a few years ago and I have not used any of them. So here I selected a light purple, almost looking like lilac, and I placed that there. I wanted another button that had the peachish looking color, but there was none. Just settled for the two purple ones. Now I have this blessed sign in my stash. I thought it looked perfect there, so I glued that on to complement the beads, and this completes my sign. Let me know what you think about this, guys. I'm so happy I was able to do this. I love it already. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You will see this again in another final reveal in a video coming up on the weekend. So there it is, my friend. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And look out for my next video on Saturday for the Talented Creators Challenge. Just a quick reminder that Jesus loves you and so do I. So stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.